With that, let's move on to an important story. Sources tell CNBC-TV18 PSU oil companies are seeking over 22,000 crore worth of fiscal relief on fuel-linked cash losses. Government may look at options, but headroom is limited. Remember, they had also provided a grant of 22,000 crore rupees for LPG as well. Sapna is joining us with more details. Sapna, what are you picking up here?
Yeah, hi. So absolutely right. This is a pitch being made by the oil cores, and I think the reasons are very clear. If you look at the Q1, Q2, losses put together, of course, Q2 has trended lower also because of the LPG support which came through. The losses are over 21,000 crores, so that's a fact. So you may, look at them as accumulated or whatever terminology you want to use, but the fact remains the losses have been incurred. Now, the ongoing Q3 and Q4 quarters, or the coming Q4 and the ongoing Q3 quarters, obviously because of crude oil trending lower, cash losses have definitely come down to quite an extent. But diesel, I think, continues to be a pain point. So there could be a possibility that, at least some of these demands of the oil cores will be studied in detail by the government, and they will look at options. However, what we're given to understand as of now is that probably the headroom is limited in terms of giving any, cash support, direct cash support. The fact also remains that, technically, prices of diesel and petrol are deregulated, but the fact of life also is that since April 6th, the prices have not been revised. There is a complete freeze, and we have no clarity as to when, that freeze will become an unfreeze. So keeping all of this in mind, I think this matter will go forward. Various options could be looked at in terms of how best the relief can be provided. But I think the bottom line here, as of now, is maybe at this point in time, talking of a straightforward relief looks limited. So we have to keep a watch on this story, basically, see how it develops. But as I just mentioned again, I'm just repeating myself that as of now, the talks of any kind of a headroom available and all of that is very, very limited.
Okay, all right. Sapna, thank you so much for joining us. That is all about what's happening in the oil marketing space. But